Hello! This morning at Toddler and Early Years STEM, we tried to make balloon lollies or balloon kebabs by poking a stick through a balloon.
That wasn't a very good kebab, was it? Maybe Mommy didn't do it gently enough. Maybe I'm going to poke it through this bit. You ready? That's it.
Oh, well done.
Can I get it through the way?
Wow.
Can you hear the air coming out of it, or is it staying in? Is there any air coming out? Did we catch it? Yes! Good job!
We also looked at pumping a balloon full of holes just to see where the air goes. Thank you for watching Toddler and Early Years STEM. Please stay tuned for next week's session. Goodbye!